the flipping concept. In the knowledge age, we must create knowledge-based learning organizations. In order to meet this imperative, we had to rethink learning. That's when we adopted the flipping concept. The KM Institute currently leads other trainers and educators by fully integrating flipping-enabled functionality. So what is flipping? First, 2 goals and 2 realities of training and education. The primary learning needs for most students are goal number 1, what you need to understand, and goal number 2, what you must be able to do. Reality number 1. Only a small % of learning is accomplished by seeing and hearing. Typically, in a strict classroom mode, students merely do their homework and pass their tests, seldom benefiting from any form of practical application. Learning by doing is still the best way to learn. Reality number 2. Only some teachers can really teach their students. The simple fact is that the best teachers are generally much better than the norm. How does flipping resolve this? Imagine if training could be transformed from classroom lecture halls to learning labs, focused on exercises and applicable projects actually needed on the job. The goal of providing students exactly what they need to understand would be accomplished by presenting on interactive media top content taught by the best trainers. Students in turn receive a powerful, relevant learning experience at their own pace and convenience. Meanwhile, what you must be able to do is achieved separately, usually live in person by other trainers, those much better at facilitating deep discussions and learn-by-doing exercises. These facilitators would lead students through very real-world projects in an environment much more conducive to learning by doing. So the 2 aspects of the education goal, imparting knowledge and facilitating exercise, can now be met. At the KM Institute, here's how it works. Flipping utilizes the 3 phases: learn before, during, and after. Learn before. Prior to class, students study the self-paced content which has been developed by KM experts and delivered by outstanding trainers. Learn during. The workshop itself focuses much more on exercises than lecture. Expert facilitators help students build their own personal KM portfolios. Learn after. Students review their workshop portfolios and the self-paced materials to prepare for testing. Thank you for viewing the flipping concept. We'll see you soon.